Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to web scraping the information from Yahoo Finance. I'm going to grab the current stock data and the market cap data from Yahoo Finance page as an example. Before we start, we have to install two Python packages. One is the beautifulsoup, which is the Python library for parsing HTML and XML documents. And the second one is the request library, which is used for common HTTP request method such as GET and POST. Today we are using GET method to get information from the web page. To install both packages, you can go to your command prompt or your Mac terminal or Linux terminal and type in pip install request to install the request library, and type in pip install beautifulsoup 4 to install the beautifulsoup library. So once you install both libraries, we can go to your text editor to start coding. I'm using the VS Code. Let me just quickly open up the editor. Now I have the VS Code editor open. I also leave the command prompt open since I prefer using the command prompt to run the Python code. I created a YF scraping py file. This is empty py file. I'm going to run down the code line by line with you. And first, we have to import both libraries. Let's quickly import the request, and from BS4 import the beautifulsoup. And to start, the first method we have to use is the request.get. To get all the information from the website, we can first copy the web link that you want to get information from and type in r equals to request.get and pass the web page. And the second is using a beautifulsoup to read all the return result and turn it into XML format. To do so, we can type in soup equals to beautifulsoup parentheses r dot text comma lxml. And if you print out result, it should give you the whole chunk of XML formatted data that contains all the information from this web page. Let's quickly run it to try it out. We can simply call python yf scraping.py. Then you can see it's kind of unreadable at the moment. Let's further pass down to the information you want to scrape. To locate the stock price you want to scrape down, you can right click and click inspect and use this arrow icon and move to the section you want to know where it's located and click. You can see the stock price is located in this span with a class TRSDU. It's a very known class to read. To web scrape down to this span section, I would recommend to first locate the upper div section. First, you have to find all the divs from the XML format result that you have just printed out. To do so, we can say find all divs equals to soup dot find all and parentheses div. And if you print out the result, you should be able to return all the div result. And you see, still has too much information showing. Let's further scrape down. In the find all method, you can pass the Python dictionary to locate the class in the string, the unique class you are looking for. In here, we can just copy over this string as an indexing key. And let's print out the result again. You see, this is the div that we searched with this unique class string that being returned out in the terminal. And we are one step closer to the result you are looking for, which is the 325 result here. And you notice this is a Python list. We want to get the element from this list. You can just type in the bracket 0. So how to move further down to this div? We can use the same method, the find all method, to print out the specific span that contains the stock price. So we can do it by saying current price equals to find all diffs dot find all and parentheses. Here, since I'm searching the span tag, we can type in the span, comma, and pass a dictionary and search for the class. And we can just copy over this unique class indexing key into the dictionary. Okay, let's print out the current price section to see how it looks like. Then you see we have further narrowed down to the XML result. So in here is this result, and the price is a text in this XML. So we can simply type price equals to current price and parse out the first element from this list and dot text, and we can print out price. Boom, you see now you finally get the price from this whole chunk of HTML data. Let's use market tab data as another example. Let me show you how to get this even faster. So first is the same. Let's locate this section of code in the HTML data, and let's comment the price out. Let's say the market cap equals to, we can locate this table container in the HTML code. Let's copy this class indexing key. Let's say soup.find all, and we are looking for the table tag and passing the class string we are looking for, and we want to return the first result from the list. Let's quickly test out the print market cap result. Let's print out. And this prints out the whole table section data as highlighted in this page. So we want to get the market cap span. Here, need to note the class string that marked in here may not be the unique one. So to be safe, we want to search this TD tag that contains the data test string result as a market cap value. This seems unique in this page. We can use this data test as a key instead of using class as a searching key in here. Let's change this variable name to make it easier to read. Market cap table, and let's say the market cap equals to market cap table dot find all, and we are searching for TD tag with the data test key equals to, we just copied over the market cap value, and since the result will be returning to a list, I'm going to put a parenthesis to retrieving the first element from the list, and let's print out the market cap. And you see it returns the TD tag result that we expected. And further, we want to get the 22.66b, and we can simply just type in market cap text equals to market cap dot text, and let's print out the result. Now you get the final result that you intend to scrape down from the website. The same method can be applied to scraping down other information from this website, like news information, the open, ask, previous close price, or the 1-year target price. And you can scrape down all those information and store into your own database and do the data modeling and data analysis. That's it for today's video. Please feel free to leave any questions in the comment section. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.